Hello from Myrtle Beach. Today we are at the Myrtle Beach Boardwalk. We're going to give you an entire tour of the boardwalk as well as the attractions that are on Ocean Boulevard in this main part of the strip of Myrtle Beach on the Grand Strand. Hi, I'm Carmen. If you're new here, we cover everything Myrtle Beach and the surrounding area. And if you're a return viewer, welcome back. We are so glad to have you. So beautiful day, but the beaches are actually closed today due to the rough water. You can actually go on the beach, but you cannot get in the water, but it's a gorgeous day today. We're here at the Oceanfront Bar and Grill, which is sort of the beginning of this main area. Now the boardwalk is actually 1.2 miles long, so it goes much further in each direction, and we have videos that cover everything on the boardwalk, so definitely check out our channel if you're interested in seeing more than what we're going to show today. But we're going to focus on the main central area that I think comes to most people's mind when they think of the Myrtle Beach Boardwalk. So here's Dirty Don's Oyster Bar. Several of you who are regular viewers have mentioned that you enjoy it. Here's their menu if you want to take a look. Give like a slow pan because we haven't shown this, and quite a few of you have said you enjoy hanging out here, that you like the food and the drinks, and you've got these nice umbrellas outside. I always get asked what time it is, so it is 10:22 right now. So this is a 10:22 time frame on a Friday. Here's Fun Plaza. And Fun Plaza also has some food, but it's a huge arcade, ginormous arcade. We've got the Boardwalk Paradise General Store, which is a good size gift shop and general store. And then coming up here is one of the Myrtle Beach photo ops, really cute. There's several of these. We've already passed the turtles. They're behind me. We've got these fun guys. So lots of neat photo opportunities here. Coming up on sweet treats, ice cream and candy. And we also have another arcade here. This arcade, to the best of my knowledge, is run by the Gay Dolphin. It's called the Boardwalk Arcade. And there's also ice cream in there as well. You've got Abraham's Heroes, Gyros, Euros, whatever you want to call it. Got it right here. We've also got pizza and subs there. Got Hurricane's Daiquiri Bar. New York style pizza by the slice. And Gay Dolphin we'll come back to. Here is one of my favorites. I love this. I love this view. Got the ocean in the background. Let's take a look at this rough ocean. It's crazy. I see why it's closed. Crazy rough ocean. And we're gonna go over here by the Gay Dolphin. We do have a video that gives an entire tour of the Gay Dolphin, so if you're interested in that, check it out. This is a giant multi-level gift shop. It's huge. There's also a photo opportunity right here in this alley. We belong at the beach. And then coming up next is the Boardwalk Beachwear gift shop. It's another gift shop, so plenty of gift shops here on the main strip. Another view at this beautiful water. There's the Boardwalk Beachwear. And then up here is Mo Moons. They've got food and drinks, and they've got those giant fishbowl drinks, if you know what I'm talking about. It looks like you're drinking out of a fishbowl, so those are fun. Over here, got yet another photo op. That one's cute too. I like the little octopus. Also, I should mention there are plenty of public beach access where you can walk right down to the beach. And if you're interested on where to park when you come to the boardwalk area, we have a video on that. You can go to our channel and search for that, and you'll be able to find it. And we show all the best places to park, both paid, and we even give you some free parking tips. So let's talk about the Skywheel before we turn the corner. So like I said, the boardwalk keeps going, but this is the main concentration of attractions and restaurants and that kind of thing. There are other attractions and restaurants. Here's the Skywheel. We've got multiple videos on the Skywheel, both during the day and at sunset in the evening. So you can check that on our channel. Highly recommend it. It is open year round. And so now we're around the corner. You've got Oceanwear Gift Shop and Good Vibes. So now we're headed straight for Ocean Boulevard. Ocean Boulevard is the main strip that runs right down parallel with the beach. Tons of hotels, tons of restaurants, lots of entertainment, all kinds of stuff on Ocean Boulevard. We have a plethora of Ocean Boulevard videos on our channel. Some are on the bike, some are in the car, some are walking. So you can check those out if you are interested. We give all kinds of tours of Ocean Boulevard. It's a great place. Great place to hang out and walk. Lots of things to see. So I want to mention this direction before we start walking the other direction. Right across from Skywheel is the public bathrooms. So if you're down at the boardwalk and want public bathrooms, so you see the Skywheel there, you just want to go across the street. You can't actually see it from here, but it's there. We've got the zombie zone here. Love sugar. And right here is Myrtle Beach Fries. They have sort of fun, what you would think of at a fair or something like that. A lot of fun stuff. Got some oceanfront airbrush, Deadhead shop. And then over here are a bunch of Ripley's attractions. You've got Ripley's Illusion Lab. You've got Crazy Golf. You've got the Haunted Adventure, the Mirror Maze. And then at the very end of the street, we'll show it again, is Ripley's Believe It or Not. There's also a Ripley's Aquarium. That is at Broadway at the beach here at Myrtle Beach. You can buy tickets to go to multiple of these attractions. And no, this is not sponsored. I'm just trying to give you a helpful tip. Hopefully you can hear me over this Blue Moon truck. I would definitely, if you're going to do more than one of these attractions, absolutely get the tickets that let you do more than one, because you save a lot of money doing that. If you only want to do one, that's fine. But if you're going to do more than one, definitely look into the group tickets. You've got Hi-Fi Coffee here for your coffee needs. There's Mad Myrtle's Old Fashioned Ice Creamery. And then you've got the Gay Dolphin entrance from the street side. And that's what this giant tower, so that's sort of an iconic part of Ocean Boulevard's main area here. So that lets you know what that's for. That's part of the Gay Dolphin. So they do have an entrance here as well. Got Surf's Up and Mr. Fry's across the street. Henna Temporary Tattoos. And then here's another entrance for the New York Pizza Kitchen that we passed on the other side. Also for the Boardwalk Arcade. So a lot of these have entrances on both sides, which is nice. A few more gift shops and other things on the other side of the road. Let's get a little closer to this side. More gift shops over here as well. Generation X on this side, and some really loud music I'm gonna have to talk over so we don't get a copyright hit. And you got Kings over there, beach and swimwear. And then right down here, so you've got some refreshments right here, but also you have an entrance to that Paradise General store that we saw on the other side. And then of course the entrance to the Fun Plaza that's street side, but that's that huge arcade that we passed on the boardwalk side. And then you've got Bargain Beachwear over here. And then right there on the corner is Ripley's Believe It or Not that I mentioned. We do have a video of that on our channel as well. All of the Ripley's attractions are on our channel. In fact, we have a playlist for all of them. It should be in the description below. And that is a fun thing to do. It's hard to explain. People always ask me, what is it? If you are old enough to remember the Ripley's Believe It or Not show, it's that kind of stuff. It's kind of like things that are real, but kind of are like, wow, how can that be real? It's that kind of stuff. Peach's Corner, which is an icon here in Myrtle Beach. It's been around since 1939. They've got food and drinks. I know some of you have said they've got good hot dogs, but they've got, fish sandwiches, world famous footlong dog, corn dogs, hamburgers, all that good stuff. We're gonna go up here and go around the corner so we can check out what is on this other side. So over there is the festival grounds. That's where the Pavilion Amusement Park used to be. It is no more, but they are setting up for some type of festival right now, even as we speak. Then they got the volleyball courts on this side. That's where the old Pavilion building used to be. Then you've got Boardwalk Gift Shop, Duffy's, the Bowery, and then the coffee house right past that has, as far as I know, permanently closed down, and we don't know what's coming there next. We'll keep you posted. And then the Oceanfront Bar and Grill where we started. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to click on the video on your screen right now and click subscribe so you won't miss anything new. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next adventure.